like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification. Hi and welcome to Desi Pantry. Today we're going to show you how to make Turkish salad. So to do this we're going to need half an iceberg lettuce chopped, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, two small red onions chopped, some fresh parsley finely chopped, half a cucumber chopped, and a quarter white radish cut into sticks. A quarter fresh pomegranate already extracted, some sliced black olives, additionally for the dressing we're going to need about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, one tablespoon of white vinegar, one teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now to add all the ingredients into the mixing bowl, starting with tomatoes, onions, the cucumber and white radish, the iceberg lettuce, olives, fresh chopped parsley, and finally the fresh pomegranate. Give the ingredients a good mix. Now it's time to make the dressing, so to do this mix the white vinegar, lemon juice, some olive oil, and the salt. Keep stirring until the salt is completely dissolved. Now add the dressing into the salad. Mix thoroughly and your salad is now ready to be served. If you like our recipes, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can also keep up to date by pressing the notification.